Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is The Garden. The Garden. Look at the picture, my dear children. What do you see in the picture? There is a dog and two children are playing with a girl playing with ball and a boy playing with the kite. Do you love to play with the kite? Let's see. Let's get started. Out in the garden, one fine day. Out in the garden, one fine day. With my ball, I went to play. With my ball, I went to play. You have to repeat after me. Out in the garden, one fine day. They out in the garden and play with ball. Okay. Out in the garden, one fine day. With my ball, I went to play. They went to play. I bounced it right. I bounced it right. I bounced it left. I bounced it well on one fine day. On one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my kite, I went to play. The boy is playing with the kite. I flew it right. I flew it right. I flew it left. They are moving the kite to left and right. I flew it high up the sky. I flew it high up the sky. Let's repeat it again. Repeat after me. Out in the garden one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With the ball I went to play. I bounced it right. I bounced it left. I bounced it right. I bounced it left. I bounced it well on one fine day. Out in the garden one fine day. With my kite, I went to play. They went to play. I flew it right. I flew it left. I flew it right to the right and the left. I flew it high. They flew the kite in the sky. Up the sky. I flew it high. Up the sky. Okay, my dear children. I hope you all like the poem. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.